Hi everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate Netspend card without social security number. Let's get started. You can activate your Netspend card without a social security number by using one of two main methods. Method 1. Activate by calling customer service. Through calling customer service, you can reach the Netspend customer service through their number at 1-866-38-73636. Once you are connected, listen to the automated menu. You need to choose the Activate New Card option. You will then be requested to provide your card number, which is printed on the front side of your card, and the 3-digit security number CVV, which is printed on the back of your card. A Netspend customer service representative will come on the line and ask you to provide information to prove your identity. The information will include your full date of birth, a government-issued identification number such as an alien registration number, passport number, or other official ID number, and your current residential address. The representative will verify the information you've provided and activate your card over the phone. You should receive a confirmation once the process is complete. Method 2. Activate online on the website. On your web browser, visit the official Netspend website at www.netspend.com. On the home page, look for the option to log in or register. Since you are activating a new card, you will need to create a new online account. Click on the link to sign up or register for an account. During the account creation process, you will be prompted to click on an Activate Card option. This is usually very prominent on the screen. You will then need to enter your card number and the security code CVV from the back of your card. You will then proceed to provide the required details to create your account. Crucially, when asked for identification, you will provide a government-issued identification number instead of an SSN. Once you have submitted all the information and created your account, your Netspend card will be activated and ready to use. And that's the end of the video. Using this information, you can now activate your Netspend card without your SSN.